Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 3rd standard subject Maths Board CBSE chapter 10 time. So in the chapter time today we are going to see exercise 2, the start and end time. The start and then end time are given. How long did the activity take? So they have given the starting time and then ending time. So we have to calculate the time and then how long the activity given take place. We have to write the timing. Okay. So tell me the starting time. Where is the R and near 3, then minute and near 12. So what is the time here? 3 o'clock. What is the time here? 3 o'clock. Next here, see where is the R and in between 3 and 4. So what you have to write? 3. 3 o'clock. Then how many minutes? So if it is near 6 means minute hand is near 6. So 6 5s are 30. So here 3 hours 30 minutes, here 3 hours. So tell me how long? 3 o'clock to 3:30. How long children? It is 30 minutes. So how long the activity take place? 30 minutes. So you can write 30 minutes. Here 3 o'clock, there 3:30. So 3 to 3:30 is 30 minutes. Next one, starting time and then ending time they have given. So listen, look at the clock. Where is the R and children? So R and near 2. Then where is the minute and? Minute and near 2 means you have to 12 means you can write 0 0, that is 2 o'clock. Next here you can check where is the R and near 4. Next where is minute and? Minute and near 12 means 4 o'clock. So you can write 0 0, 4 o'clock. Now how long? Tell me 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock how long children? So 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock how long? 2 to 3 1 hour, then 3 to 4 1 hour. So 1 plus 1 how many hours? 2 hours. How many hours? So 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock 1 hour, then 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock 1 hour. So totally 2 hours. Next one, starting time and ending time. See where is the R and children? Here R and is 10. Then where is the minute and near 12? So you can write 0 0. So what is the time? 10 o'clock. Next here where is the ending time? Sorry, ending time only. Where is the R and? Near 10. Then where is the minute and? Minute and near 4. So if it is nearby 4 means what you have to write? 10 4? No, you should not write like that. So minute and means you have to use the 5 times table. So 4 5s are 20. So you can write 10 20. So tell me now how long? 10 o'clock to 10:20. How long children? So 10 o'clock to 10:20 is how many minutes it is? 20 minutes. Okay. So you can write 20 minutes. Next one, how long do the following take? Take the correct choice. So listen children, how long the activity take place? You have to tick the correct, that is minute or hours. So listen, get ready for school. So how many in minute or hours you will get ready for the school? 15 minutes or 15 hours? 15 minutes only you will get ready for the school, not in 15 hours. Next, drink milk. So how long you will drink milk? 5 minutes or 5 hours? So how long you will drink milk? Within 5 minutes or 5 hours? 5 minutes. Next one, finish your homework. So you will finish your homework in 30 minutes or 30 hours children. So you will finish the homework in 30 minutes, not in 30 hours. Then watch a film in a cinema hall. Watch a film in a cinema hall, that is 2 minutes or 2 hours. Within 2 minutes you can watch film? No, 2 hours only you will watch a film. Next, sleep at night. So how long you will sleep at night? 8 minutes or 8 hours? Not 8 minutes, 8 hours only you will sleep at night. Next one, so exercise 3 we are going to see. What is the time? So we are going to write the time. that is 1 hour after 8 hours. 1 hour after 8 hours. So listen children, after means what we have to do? We are going to add. After means we are going to add, then before means we are going to subtract. So 1 hour after 8 hours. So you can write 8, this is hour, and then minute, then 1 hour. So you write 1 hour. So we are going to add, so write plus symbol. So add 0 plus 0 is 0, then 0 plus 0 is 0, then 8 plus 1 is 9. So tell me 1 hour after 8 hours is 9 hours, that is 9 hours. So 1 hour after 8 hours is, so we are going to add. After means we have to add, so 8 plus 1 is 9. Here they didn't give minutes, so you can write, you can add only the hours, so 9 hours. Next, 1 hour before 4:30. 1 hour before 4:30. So before means what you will do children? Before means you have to subtract. Before means you have to subtract. So you write hours and then minute. So we have to subtract 1 hour. You have to subtract 1 hour. So 1 hour before means, so you have to subtract 1 hour from 4:30. So listen, subtract like ordinary subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 3 minus 0 is 3. Next 4 minus 1 is 3. So now you tell me the answer. 3 hours then 30 minutes. 3 hours and then 30 minutes. So 1 hour before 4 hours 30 minutes is 3 hours then 30 minutes. Next 2 hours before 5 o'clock. 5 hours, that is you have to subtract because they have given before. So you can write hour and then minute. So you write 5 hours, then you have to subtract before 2 hours means you have to subtract 2. So if you subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, then 5 minus 2 is 3. So 2 hours before 5 hours is 3 hours. So 2 hours before 5 hours is 3 hours. So before 5 hours is before 2 hours before 5 is 3 hours. Next 30 minutes after 12. 30 minutes after 12. So after means we are going to add. After means we are going to add. So 12 hours and then we are going to add 30 minutes. So listen children, they have given only minutes. So you have to write in the minutes. So in hours you have to write 0 because they have given 30 minutes after. So in the minutes column you can write 30, hours column you can write 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Next 0 plus 3 is 3. Next 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. So now tell me 30 minutes after 12 hours is 12 hours then 30 minutes. 12 hours and then 30 minutes. Next one we are going to see word problem. Mr. Sarma's flight for Hyderabad will take off from Delhi airport at 5:30. He has to report at the airport 1 hour before the departure time. At what time should he reach the airport? So they have given departure time and then reporting time is 1 hour before the departure time. So before means what you will do children? We are going to subtract. So at what time should he reach the airport? So we will write solution. So we are going to subtract. So because they have given before, 1 hour before means we have to subtract. So first you write departure time. So what is the departure time? That is starting time is departure time. Departure time is 5 hours 30 minutes. Next reporting time is reporting time equal to 1 hour before the departure time. 1 hour before the 1 hour before the departure time. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 5 hours 30 minutes minus 1 hour, because before 1 hour means we have to subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Next 3 minus 0 is 3. Next 5 minus 1 is 4. So now you tell me, Sarma, at what time you should reach the airport? So answer, Sarma should reach the airport at what time, children? 4 hours 30 minutes. Should reach the airport at 4 hours 30 minutes. So listen. So Mr. Sarma's flight for Hyderabad will take off from Delhi airport at 5:30. He has to report at the airport 1 hour before the departure time. So they have given departure time is 5 hours 30 minutes. So 1 hour before he has to reach the airport. So we are going to find out the time, at what time should he reach the airport. So departure time is 5 hours 30 minutes. Next reporting time is 1 hour before the departure time. So that is, you have to subtract 5 hours 30 minutes minus 1 hour. So if you subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, then 5 minus 1 is 4. So when Sharma should reach the airport? So Sharma should reach the airport at 4 hours 30 minutes. Next one, Aditi's flight from Delhi to London will take off from Delhi airport at 11:15. Since it is an international flight, she has to report at the airport 3 hours before. 3 hours before. So before means you have to subtract how many hours before should she reach the airport? 3 hours before the departure time. At what time should she reach the airport? Same model only. See, listen. First you write solution. So what is the departure time? Departure time equal to 11:15. Next, what is the reporting time? Reporting time is 3 hours before the departure time. So reporting time equal to 3 hours before the departure time. 3 hours before the departure time. So reporting time equal to 3 hours before the departure time. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 11:15 minus 3 hours. So in hours you write 3, then minute you can write 0. So subtract now. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. Next 1 minus 3. We can't subtract, so borrow. So it becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So when Aditi should reach the airport? So you write answer, Aditi should reach the airport. So Aditi should reach the airport at 8 hours 15 minutes. So 8 hours 15 minutes. So listen children, Aditi's flight from Delhi to London will take off from Delhi airport at 11:15. Since it is an international flight, she has to report at the airport 3 hours before the departure time. At what time should she reach the airport? So what is the departure time? Departure time is 11 hours 15 minutes and then reporting time is 3 hours before the departure time. So we can, if you, it is given before. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 11 hours 15 minutes minus 3 hours. So if you subtract 8 hours 15 minutes. So when she should reach the airport? 8 hours 15 minutes. So we have completed exercise 2 and 3. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.